Hello children, welcome to the maths class. Chapter 13, Exponents and Powers. If a rational number is multiplied by itself repeatedly, we can write the multiplication in exponential form. Here the number 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself. The number which is repeatedly multiplied by itself is called the base, and how many times it is multiplied, that number is called the exponent. Here 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 5 times, so 5 is the exponent, and this exponential form we can read as 2 raised to the power 5 or fifth power of 2. If a number a is multiplied by itself n times, here number a is multiplied repeatedly, so a is called the base. And how many times it is repeatedly multiplied? It is repeatedly multiplied n times, so n is the power or exponent, and we read it as a raised to the power n or nth power of a. If a multiplication or a product is given in exponential form, we can find its value. Here 3 raised to the power 4 is given, fourth power of 3. So write it as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is repeatedly multiplied 4 times and find the value. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. Exercise 13.1. Question 1. Find the value of first 2 raised to the power 6. Here base is 2 and power is 6. Base 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 6 times. So write it 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is repeatedly multiplied 6 times. Now find the value. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 32 2s are 64. Second, 9 raised to the power 3. Third power is called cube. 9 cube. 9 is repeatedly multiplied 3 times. 9 into 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. 11 raised to the power 2. Second power is called square. 11 square. 11 is multiplied by itself 2 times. 11 into 11. 11 11s are 121. Fourth, 5 raised to the power 4. 5 is multiplied by itself 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 and 125 5s are 625. Question 2. Express the following in exponential form. First, here 6 is repeatedly multiplied. So 6 is the base and 6 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 4 times. So power is 4. 6 raised to the power 4. Second, here t is multiplied by itself. So base is t and t is multiplied by itself 2 times. Power is 2. Second power is called square. So it is t square. Third, here b is multiplied itself repeatedly. So b is base and it is multiplied by itself 4 times. Power is 4. b raised to the power 4. In this multiplication, there are two numbers which are repeatedly multiplied by itself. So here base is 5. 5 is repeatedly multiplied. It is multiplied repeatedly by itself 2 times. So power is 2. Now in this multiplication, 7 is repeatedly multiplied. 7 is the base and 7 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. 7 raised to the power 3, or we can read it as 7 cube. Fifth, here also there are two numbers. In this multiplication, 2 is repeatedly multiplied, so base is 2. 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 2 times, so power is 2. Second power is called square. So we can read it as 2 square into Now in this multiplication, a is repeatedly multiplied. So base is a. A is repeatedly multiplied by itself 2 times. So power is 2, a square. Sixth, here there are 3 numbers. A is repeatedly multiplied 3 times by itself. So we can write it as a cube into this. C is repeatedly multiplied by itself 4 times. So we can write it as c raised to the power 4. And d is only 1 time. Question 3. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. To express the given number in its exponential notation, first we have to find out its prime factorization. First, 512. The prime factorization of 512 we get like this. In this prime factorization of 512, number 2 is repeatedly multiplied. So base is 2 and number 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 9 times. So power is 9. 2 raised to the power 9. So 512 we can write using exponential notation as 2 raised to the power 9. Second, 343. To express the given number into its exponential notation, first we have to find out its prime factorization. So let us find out. The smallest prime number is 2. This number is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. The next prime number is 3. Find out the sum of digits of this number. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. This number is not divisible by 3. Next prime number is 5. The last digit of this number is not 0 or 5. So this number is not divisible by 5 also. Next prime number is 7. Divide the number by 7. 7 4s are 28. 6 is left here. 63. 7 9s are 63. Divide 49 by 7. 7 7s are 49. And again divided by 7. 7 1s are 7. So the prime factorization of 343 we get as 7 into 7 into 7. In this prime factorization, the number 7 is repeatedly multiplied by itself. So base is 7. And 7 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. So power is 3. So this number 343 we can write as its exponential form 7 cube. Third, 729. Find out the prime factorization of 729 to express it into its exponential notation. In the prime factorization of 729, 3 is repeatedly multiplied by itself. So base is 3. And 3 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 6 times. So exponent is 6, power is 6. So we can write 729 using exponential notation as 3 raised to the power 6. Fourth, 3125. Find out the prime factorization. In the prime factorization of 3125, the number 5 is repeatedly multiplied by itself. So base is 5 and 5 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 5 times. So power is 5. The exponential form of 3125 is 5 raised to the power 5. Question 4. Identify the greater number. First, here two numbers are given in their exponential forms. So to find out which number is greater, first we have to find out their values. 4 cube. 4 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. And here 3 raised to the power 4 means 3 is multiplied by itself 4 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. 81 is greater than 64 and the exponential form of 81 is 3 raised to the power 4. So 3 raised to the power 4 is greater. Second, which is greater, 5 cube or 3 raised to the power 5? Find out the values of both the exponential notations. 5 cube means 5 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. 3 raised to the power 5. 3 is multiplied by itself 5 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81 and 81 3s are 243. 243 is greater than 125 and 243 is the value of exponential notation 3 raised to the power 5. So 3 raised to the power 5 is greater. Third, which is greater? 2 raised to the power 8 or 8 square. 2 raised to the power 8 means 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 8 times and 8 square means 8 into 8. The value of this multiplication we get 256 and 8 8s are 64. 256 is greater than 64 and this is the value of exponential notation 2 raised to the power 8. So 2 raised to the power 8 is greater. Fourth, which is greater? 100 square or 2 raised to the power 100. 100 square means 100 into 100. We get value 10,000. And 2 raised to the power 100 means 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 100 times. So we'll split it. First, this 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 7 times. And again 2 repeatedly multiplied by itself 7 times. And remaining 86. 100 minus 7 minus 7, 86. The value of this 2 repeatedly multiplied by itself 7 times we get 128. And value of this also we get 128. And again this is multiplied by 2's 86 times. The value of 128 into 128 we get 16,384 which is greater than 10,000. And if we will multiply 16,384 by again 2's 86 times, we will get again greater answer. So this right hand side is greater than 10,000. And this is the value of exponential notation 2 raised to the power 100. That's why 100th power of 2 is greater. Which is greater? 2 raised to the power 10 or 10 square. The value of 2 raised to the power 10 we get 1024 and value of 10 square we get 100. 1024 is greater than 100 and this is the value of 2 raised to the power 10. So 2 raised to the power 10 is greater.